Hello, freshmen. I hope you've all had a great weekend. I just wanted to take a few moments to go over some assignments that you are going to start your week with. As you can see over here in the upcoming assignments, as always, week 4 journals are due on Friday. I will show you those under classwork in a second. And then also there are 2 assignments due Wednesday. Those are due at 11:59 p.m. on Wednesday, and also on Wednesday I will post a new video and new assignments to end our week with. So we'll be kind of breaking this week up a little bit. So let's go ahead and look under classwork. As always, your journals are here. Make sure you're aiming for a 5-minute write when you're journaling, or 4 to 6 sentences minimum. I have enjoyed reading your journal so far. Again, take a look at the prompts here. All of the journal prompts are on the same Google Slides, but as usual, when you scroll down, you will find week 4, and here is where you will find all of the journals for this week. All right, let's go back to classwork. So we're going to be doing a project to start our week that is called The Songs That Symbolize Me. So if we go ahead and click on this, when you do click on the Google Doc assignment, I've made it so that it will make your own copy of the assignment, so you can just type right on the assignment and turn it in. So let's go ahead and take a look at this, show you what it looks like. So the directions for this: use only use only song titles to respond to the prompts below, thereby creating your own mini autobiography. Include both the song title as well as the artist or composer if possible. Definitely have the song title. If you can have the artist or band, whatever, that would be great. So as you can see here, there's a lot of different prompts. I didn't do any examples because I figured the directions are pretty self-explanatory. But you will need to do part 1 before you do part 2. Alright, let's take a look back at classwork and go ahead and look at part 2. Again, this one will make you your own copy as well. Alright, directions for this: using the list from part 1 of this project, answer the writing prompts below. Aim to write 3 to 4 complete sentences for each prompt. The first one is choose one song title from your list and explain in detail how it represents you as a person. And the second one is choose one song title from your list and describe how it makes you remember a specific memory, whether that memory be good or bad. As always, please email me if you have any questions, and I will be posting new assignments here under week 4 remote learning assignments on Wednesday. I will talk to you guys soon.